Internet marketing checklist. Guys, give me the next 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to show you an internet marketing checklist for everything that you need to do to market your business online. Everything right here for free. Check it out. Let's see you in the training. Hey guys, before we get into the training, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I have a system that will help you triple your email list in a matter of no time. Guys, take a look at the link that I have below. And if you can't remember, it's tripleyouremaillist.com, guys. Take a look at that link so you can triple your emails in your email box in a matter of no time. I'll see you in the training. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started in the training. Now I want to talk about having a checklist to make sure you are following the right instructions when it comes to actually marketing your business, because depending on what method you would like to market in, you need to have a checklist so you're not playing a guessing game. Now, this is for people who are into digital marketing or digital marketing strategies for the small business. Guys, this is for people who starting out that does not have income to actually start putting it into paid ads. This is things that you want to get started to actually learn the business and go through a checklist, because you've got to have some kind of know-how to explain it to the people that you're trying to market to, or who you're trying to help. If you're into that type of business, or you have a coaching class, or you're affiliate market that you're training other affiliates. So let's just go into the training and show you where you can find this list at. All right, let's go up here and click on right here, guys. This is Traffic Domination, a very powerful system where it has a Facebook group with over 109,000 people. So, and what it does is promotes affiliate products where you can make commission really, really quick here. So let's just go down here into this checklist so you could be familiar with some that you may be already doing that is working for you, and you kind of need a little assistance. So what I'm gonna do, let's go to the TD product, and I have the link below where you can sign up. It's absolutely free. Another thing, guys, before we go any further, right here, see this, when you sign up, you see that says boot camp. You can go in and take that course and they will give you 20 bucks. So it's on you, so that's fine. All right, let's go right here and go to right here. And let me get my pop-ups up. All right. Now look at this, guys. This is internet marketing checklist. Look at here. Product creation, email marketing, social media, affiliate marketing, video marketing, Canva designs, newbie marketer, messenger marketer, outsourcing, self-publish, WordPress, offline, make money online, SEO, YouTube advertising, copyright. I can go on, but what we will do, so you won't stay on this, make this video extremely long, let's just go in some stuff that I know is essential to your business. Email marketing is essential to your business, guys. So you look at this and you see here is a checklist, and it will go into Adobe Reader. This is Google Docs. Forgive me on that. Yeah, look here. This is a checklist that you go through to see what you have. Have a website domain? No. Yes. Have an autoresponder? You go through these checklists, and these are the things that it could tell you what you need to get your business started. And then furthermore, guys, this is another method that you can train your people when you're bringing them in far as your business, or if you want to have a training site or whatever. Man, this keeps you from having to create everything. It is right here, man. It is right here. Look here. Look at this checklist that you can bring people. Once you join, pass this information on to your people or your email list where you can help them out. Look at there. Here's the checklist already done for you guys. Check this out. Let's look at this one, guys. Let's just look at this one. Now, that's a product that you have that's within the traffic domination system that helps you have lead capture pages, man. I'm talking about just powerful, going through, getting everything done for you. All I'm going to say is this, guys. If you want to make money online and you're not looking at these checklists, or you're not looking at what is going on, guys, I don't think you really want to make money online, because this is right here. Look here, setting up general autoresponder settings. Yeah. So I mean, look at here. Wow. Just to make sure you got everything correct. There's no searching all over the place for specific stuff. And that's just on email marketing. Guys, I hope you are enjoying the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Guys, let's go ahead and get back going with the training. Look at here. Look, Thrive themes. It's just things you can do. Email deliverability. That's very important in email marketing. That's something that I had to learn, guys. List building method, guys. This is a checklist. Let's just go on to another one. Social media, man. Look at that. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest. It goes on and on. Look at there. Twitter, Reddit. Look at her. Look at her. Look at all of these social media. You just can't get there. Now let's go into one right here, because I'm a Pinterest marketer. Man, look at here. It teaches you how to work on your Canvas skill, Pinterest posts. Let's just look at this one right quick. A checklist right there, guys. So just want to share this with you. Look here. Man, look here. And like I said, Pinterest and any social media platform, you have to stay abreast to what's going on, because probably since this checklist is out, there are new methods that are out there. I saw a update a couple of days ago from a newsletter subscriber that I'm a part of. So yeah, this is Canva, a very powerful tool to do. Look here, man, it just probably does not get any better than this. Look at this. Look at all you've got to go to make sure your ducks is in a row. And let's just go down here and look at WordPress. You want to establish yourself. Having a WordPress blog on your own hosted, it sets you up as an authority figure. And now you want to come in and have a checklist of how to set that up. Man, people pay pretty good money to get these done for you. Look, here's the instruction to go through and get all this set up. Oh, you want to make money online? Here you go. Here it is. Look at all these things you could do to make money online. If this video and this setup is not good for you, I don't know if you want to make money online. I really don't. If you SEO, a lot of people hates SEO, but I'm trying to tell you, if you do it right, guys, and you choose long tail keywords, guys, that be specifically what people want, man, you can get traffic there. I'm an SEO guy as well. So here it is. This is a checklist to make sure you're doing your SEO right. So it's just a checklist. YouTube advertising, and this is what this video is on, YouTube advertising. Here's a checklist. Here's things that you need to do if you plan on using YouTube as a means of advertising. Now, right now, the PDF is not there. I just want to show you it's not there, but it's coming, guys. So let's look at copyrighted. That's not there. Let's see what. Well, let's say we don't went probably. Okay, it's some. Okay. Google AdWords. That checklist is there. So some of these are not here, but guys, you want to come in and at least join. So when they do come available, it's in the back office for you guys. It's absolutely free to actually join this group. I was just strolling through just to make sure what they have available. Yeah. Facebook ad, they got a checklist for that. Now that's available. So just to let you know, that's fair. Let's look at these funnels. The funnels, creating your funnel design, everything. That's available, guys. That's available. I was surprised the lead source is not available, but that's cool. And then right now there's a influencer marketer. These people who that's in your niche that can be an influencer for you. Let's see if your Google Analytics, it's not there. Yeah, selling on webinar, that's not there. LinkedIn marketing, that's not there yet. So yeah. So, but still your YouTube, yeah, it's not there. Okay. Offline business, that's not there. Yeah, we're just gonna go through here and look at outsources. That's not there. Messenger marketing, that's there, guys. Yeah, this teaches you how to have something, to have a auto message going on while you're not there, to kind of set up your leads for getting with you. Newbie marketers, for people who are brand new to the system, guys. Man, look what you can do to send people here. This particular setup right here can be set up as a lead magnet for people, for you to get leads, guys. So I'm just trying to tell you, yeah, video, just plumb out video marketing, not just Facebook video. I mean, YouTube, just video marketing, affiliate marketing, guys. This is what this traffic domination is all about. It's teaching you how to set up things for affiliate marketing. Wow. Just very, very, very powerful, guys. So listen, guys, you can't beat this checklist, and more to come, guys, more to come. So look, take a look at this checklist, guys. I will have a link below. Go ahead and join this traffic domination business opportunity, because it's absolutely free. There is no catch you or surprises. Go in there, and then when you get in there, go ahead and join this boot camp. Get you a quick $20. Guys, I hope this kind of review or whatever was beneficial to you. Take a look at it, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Take care. I'll see you in the next training. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.